Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I'm audible. All right, so let's start today's session. So, today we will be discussing Google Ads and Google AdSense and LinkedIn marketing. So, three topics we will be covering. So, first of all, let me share screen. That would be easy for you. All right, so how marketing can be helpful for you. This is a topic we will cover today actually. So now you heard about marketing, how you can do marketing, how marketing can be helpful to promote business services. I'll not deep dive into the theoretical details or into the presentation. I'll directly explain you each and every detail with the practical. So with the practical demonstration, I'll explain you the part of theory as well, the important aspects which is important for any marketer or which is important for any user who will use Google Ads platform for marketing. So, Google Ad. Basically, Google Ads is a product of Google where we can advertise our product and services. So, when we can advertise our product and services, we need a platform. So, whether you can advertise on social media, whether it's any social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other. But in similar manner, we can advertise on Google as well. So, Google has offered a platform that is Google Ads. And on this platform, we can create a marketing campaign. And during that marketing campaign, our ad will be shown to lots of users who are surfing internet, lots of users who are using Google search engine. Let's say, first of all, before proceeding ahead, uh, how to how to make a campaign on Google Ad, I'll show you how to identify the type of ads which are being shown with this Google Ad. So let's say if I'll type e-learning or sell, let's say flower shop in Mohali. There is no advertisement with this. Okay, let's search coaching center in Mohali. Coaching institute in Mohali. So these are the examples of my business page. Still not able to find any ad. Let's search something else. Okay, I need to sign in. Just a moment. Just a moment. Which is important because Google track your history for that. Okay, so when you type best coaching for IIT J in India. Let's say I have typed best coaching for IIT JE in India. So this word is being listed as a keyword here. So best coaching for IIT JEE in India. This is known as these are the keywords that we are using to search any query in Google search box. Right? So this is a keyword that we are using. Now the results that are displayed on this Google search engine, these results like Physics Valla Vidyapeeth Chandigarh, Admission Open 2024, top rated IIT coaching classes. These three are the examples of advertisement, and these campaign are made in Google Ads platform. So basically we call it as a Google ad. Means Ellen, AHA Group and Physics Valla Vidyapeeth Group have advertised their services on this platform, Google Ads. So that's why as an end user, I'm able to see these three links as a advertisement over here in Google search engine. So whenever I search for any keywords and the results that I get here on this platform, this results you will get to know. These are the results of different, let's say, different search queries that you're typing here. And these are the These are the different results, and these are the examples of advertisements. So here, let's say I want to explore this. So I will be redirected to official website of this link. So let's click on, and I am redirected to this official website of Vidyapeeth, right? So here we go. Come back here. So here we go. Click on back. Now I hope it is clear to you. Whenever we type any keyword in Google search, and when we type any keyword in Google search, the results which are displayed to us on this Google search engine result page, this page is known as search engine result page. So the result which are displayed on this search engine result page, these results are the result that we got from Google database, searching algorithm database, right? So these are the organic results. Means these are not Jagran Joshcom, Quora, LinkedIn, Exam Bazaar, Clear IIT Medical. They are not paying. They are not paying for Google, or they are not advertising their service in the Google Ads platform, but they comes here with the organic search. So basically, this comes under your SEO part. Means they have done so well SEO. They have done so well SEO in their website that their website can become visible at the third list or at the fourth list. You can check it out. Exam Bazaar is on first, second, third, and fourth. Exam Bazaar is available at the fourth number in the list with the help of search engine optimization techniques. So SEO is also important whenever you are creating any website in WordPress or in any other platform. Then search engine optimization techniques are very important for the ranking of that particular website in Google search engine. Now let's understand the structure of any ad. So when you design any ad pattern, what could it be? So let's say here we go. First of all, you'll get logo, then its title, then link where you will be redirected, and then heading, and then the description about the services you're offering. This is description, and then the keyword, right? So this is the structure for any ad. Now Google ad. This is, let's say, click on this link, Google Ads. I think I should use another account. So this is the link. I'm also sharing link in the chat box. So here, so here we go. Click on sign in. You can use your Gmail ID for this. So here we go ahead to create a new marketing campaign. So with this ID, okay, let's start now how to design your marketing campaign. First of all, this page you would come across when you land on this page, right? So when you go to Google Ads homepage, you would come across this page. Now it would ask you the main advertising goal, like you want to increase the calls, you want to increase the website sales, leads, you want to increase visits. What would you want to achieve? Sometime you notice that most of the time you came across lots of ads on YouTube. So if you want to publish ad on YouTube, which is called YouTube marketing, then you can opt this, get more views and engagement on YouTube. For that, you can opt get this type of option. Let's say you want to have a website, you want to increase number of customers or number of users or number of uh, audience that you want to increase on your website, then you can opt this option. Click on next. Right. So now after clicking on next, let's say it will ask you to take an action that should your campaign be optimized to delivers. So I want, whether do you want to customer schedule an appointment, do you want them to request a quote, or you do you want them to product services? It's the overall objective is to select the type of campaign you want to create on this Google ad. Means what would be your ultimate goal of creating this campaign? What would you want to achieve at the end of this campaign? Because whenever you create your account on Google Ads and you start creating your marketing campaign, it means that you want to publish your ad in the Google, so that your ad would look like ad that I have shown in the demonstration earlier, that how your ad looks like when you create campaign on Google Ads, right? So here we go. Let's say I want to design customer fill out an information form. No. I want to sign up for a product or services. I want to request contact. What do you want to achieve? So let's say I want to fill out an information form. So click next. Now it's time to write the description about your ad. What do you want to achieve? Let's say I want, you can select from here. Let's say I want to achieve a skilled and patient teacher. My headline is all about I'm going to publish on my school. Let's take this an example. I have a website socialvoiceskills.com.in, and on this particular website I want to conduct a webinar where I want to collect information from the student, from the teacher, from the parents as well, on any perspective or any viewpoint on any particular topic. I just want to have idea what people are thinking about this particular topic. So we can create we want to publish it in online. Means we don't want to target the teachers, parents and student who are already in our school, but I want to target the students which are not in our school, which in students who are in other schools. I want to show them that our school is conducting this kind of facility, this kind of webinar, um, uh, this kind of facility that our school is providing. So in that note, what we need to do, we need to create this marketing campaign so that the audience or the student, teacher, parents of that particular age group who are available on Google, and they can go ahead with the ad that you are going to publish. You can select headings from here, you can select description from here. What do you want to, let's say I'm offering a professional soft skill training in particular area. Let's say right now I'm just selecting in India. You can say I'm offering professional soft skill summer training for 2 months in our school, in which students from another school can join us for 2 months, or uh, we are conducting sports meet, or we are conducting sports tournament for 2 weeks during this time to this time. And student from another schools or another region can also join us. Let's say there are summer vacations, so in summer vacation you can conduct such kind of curriculum activities in your school premises as well, in which you can invite outsider authorities to conduct that particular tournament. So lots of things can be done to engage your school activities, to enhance the brand reputation of your school. And it could be done, let's say you're running your school in Delhi, right? And there are lots of people who are coming in, let's say who are coming in, coming from different places. Some of the resident of Delhi are staying in Mumbai, some of them are staying in Hyderabad. So if they are coming in vacation, they are coming to Delhi, as an outsider they can join such kind of campaign if your school would run, and it would automatically enhance the brand reputation of your school. So this is just a way. You can do a lot more than this. You can advertise your product and services, you can advertise your brand value. Lots of things can be done with the help of Google Ads campaign. Now if you want to add a call button, then you can add, but for that you need a number, phone number, which should be a valid mobile phone number, right? I'm not going to opt, just click on next. Okay, just forgot to ticket mark, unselect it, click on next. Now we need to add some images. So we need to add some images here. So here we go. Let's say click on new image. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. It's taking time. Click on upload. Yeah, we need to select some images. Let's say opt one or two images from the download. So I'm opting these images. You can use any image that would refer to your marketing campaign, that would relate it to that marketing campaign. So here we go. So it take a while. So here, it's taking too long. I'll opt the old one images. I'll close it and I'll opt the, yeah, I'm selecting the old one. It's taking too long. Now you can add logos as well. Let's say this is the old one. I want to add new logo. Click on this plus icon, click on upload image. I want to add new logo. This I have selected, right? This image, click on open. And also make sure that the minimum size that is required is 128 by 128 pixel. You can resize your images. There are lots of software, free software, which are available to resize your images. So it's also taking too long. I'm going to close it, cancel, click the old one, done. Otherwise, we need to resize it. After resizing your image, it will selected over here. So now click on next. Now next we have reached where you can opt keywords here, the keywords which are important for your marketing campaign. If I'll close all the keywords here, How to add the new keyword? Let's say I'm going to run this marketing campaign for soft skill training for a week in my school, right? So I need to add keyword in that context. You can add soft skill, you can add training keyword here, training school, or you can add summer vacation. So means in summer vacation we are offering this soft skill training in our school. So keywords are important because when end users type these keywords, then your ad will visible to those users. Now next, click next. Next comes here the type of location you can opt. So here we go with the location. I'll opt with Delhi. I want to show my ad in Delhi region. Also, I want to show my ad in Mumbai. Sorry, it doesn't make any sense. So I need to add Gurgaon. I need to add Noida as well. So I want to show my ad in these three regions. And you can also check in the right panel. Map is also being shown here. So I want to show my ad in Gurugram, New Delhi, and Greater Noida, right? So click on next after choosing your location from here. So I have chosen these three locations and now I'm going to redirect to next screen. Now here comes budget. As you know that budget plays very vital role. So if we talk about budget, so how it is important, but let me take some doubt as well if we have in between. Uh, uh, if you have any doubt, then uh, you can you can drop it side by side. Is there any issue? I don't know what is the exact issue. Okay, there's no doubt related to this topic. So coming back, now budget. Budget is very important. How? How much money you want to spend for these ads on daily basis, on monthly basis. So let's say I want to opt for my own budget. So it would be like 500, 600. So let's say I want to add it. I want to change it to 1000, right? Click on next. You can add as per your choice, but minimum 500 is always recommended. Click on next. This is a preview of my ad. Campaign name, campaign goal, your website name, business name, your headlines, headings, descriptions, images, logos, location, and keyword and budget. So these are the important thing whenever we are creating any marketing campaign in Google Ads. So here we go. Now next comes here. Click on next. So now this is the payment info, means you need to add your credit card details in which you can choose your payment details. So this is important because you need to enter your credit card details and after that your ad will be live after this payment info. So in this way you can create marketing campaign in Google. If anyone of you wants to create marketing campaign in Google, then you can use this option and you can use these method to create your campaign on Google Ad. Now comes here how to search keyword, which is important. How to search keywords. Whenever you want to add some keyword in your Google ad, it is important that you'll use the relevant keywords, which is very important. To use the relevant keyword, why? Because when you type anything or when any end users are typing anything, then your website would get listed over there. Otherwise, there is no point of using SEO, using any marketing techniques if you're not using proper keywords in your ad. So in that particular scenario, I have used keyword research in this step where I have used lots of keywords. So in this way, you can done keyword research as well. There are free tool as well for the keyword research. So you can use those as well. But when it comes to the reliability, We'll stick to Google only. So SEMrush have we have WordStream, we have Zapier, we have HubSpot. Lots of tools are available in the market, which are available and in which you do research, in which you can use free keywords, and they are not available at free. Of course, you need to pay amount to use their services. And we talk about reliability of keyword, like how we can trust that the suggestion those tools are providing is up to the mark or it's up to the relevant. So if we talk about the relevancy or reliability of any product when using, so we can consider Google is the best reliable, and also Google is offering keyword planning or keyword researching at free of cost. That's what we have done in our Google Ads example. In this case, so when we have done keyword research, so in the big previous step we have done that, not here, this one. Yeah, so this is the keyword selection. Means you can when you type any keyword here, Google will suggest you lots of things which are being in search, which are important in research, and which is being searched by the end users. So that's why this keyword research is important, right? So that's all about your Google ad. And in detail, you can do practice. If you would come across any doubt, then we'll clear you all that. So let's have a doubt from Google Ad, then we'll skip to Google AdSense. Okay, so let's take your doubts first. Ad payment will be based on, let's say, average you are spending 500 rupee, you're spending 1000 rupee. So you'll get that audience. You're spending 500, then you'll get 1000 audience. You're spending 1000, you're getting 2000 audience. And that audience will see your ad. It's not sure that they will be clicking your ad, but it's like that they will be showing you that particular thing. Let's say they're paying 500, then there are users of 1000, so those number of users are able to show your ad. Yeah. If we talk about the expenditure for per month, then it completely depend upon your marketing budget. Let's say you want to spend for 15 days, you're getting the desired result, then no need to spend for the rest of the 15 days. And if you are spending it for months, let's say 500 per day, you're spending 15,000 per month, then there are mostly chances that on every day you're spending 500 per day, but still there are chances that 1000 users will see your ad but they will not click on your ad, and that will be counted as your count. Okay, so can I get the recording? Yes, of course, you'll get the recording in the WhatsApp group as well, and on the social mobile skills live as well. And also end of the session, recording link will be shared. Yeah, we will share the recording link in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, we can understand there are exams going on in the school, so it is very difficult. And also, we have very less participants today. Otherwise, most of the time, most of the session that we have been taken till now, so there were around 300 plus participants, but today we have around 180 plus. So this is the main reason. All right. So, okay, any other doubt do we have for Google Ads? I'm not audible. I guess I'm audible. Can you please, other participants can please confirm I'm audible or not? Yes, I'm audible. I think, ma'am, I think there is some issue at your side. That's why you're not able to. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, for responding. Yes, ma'am, it is calculated as per the mode of ad, how much keyword you have used, and also recommended budget is there, like 500 you need to spend per day. You can spend for 3 days, you can spend for 5 days, you can spend for 7 days, you can spend for 15 days, and when you get the desired result, you can stop your marketing campaign. For the budget, if I'll discuss in detail, then it is a part of budget. Let's say I want to add a selected budget. Then this is the daily average, where monthly you need to spend 15,000 and you'll get an estimated reach of around 3,319 to 7,000 clicks each month. If you go ahead with this package, then you need to spend 17 per day, and estimated number of users you'll get from 5 to 12K. So it completely depends the amount you're paying, maximum amount you'll pay, maximum number of user you will get. That's the only simple logic. Okay, so apart from this, do we have any doubt? Then I'll switch to the next topic, which is Google AdSense. Basically, what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which a website publisher can advertise their product, they can advertise their services, and the platform and the person who's offering that platform can act as a publisher and that can earn money. How? Let's understand this with an example, which is very important. If I'll go for Indian Express, so this is the official website of Indian Express. Now, on this particular website, you would come across lots of advertisement, right? So, I want to explore those advertisement. Okay, check it out. Here we go. Advertisement is here. Advertisement word is written when you come across any advertisement on any website. This is also an example of advertisement because sponsored is written here. Again, these are advertisements sponsored, again sponsored, again. So this is a basically section for advertisement, right? Now, let's say you are the owner of this company. Let's understand this with an example. Like, let's assume you're the owner of IndianExpress.com, right? And this is your website. And your website is having huge customer audience who's coming to your website, reading articles, reading news, whether related to business, entertainment, sports, politics, lifestyle, technology, uh, education, research, lots of things you are offering on your particular website. And you want to advertise on your website and you want to earn money, means you want to monetize your website. So if a school is private, then they can monetize their website as well, but it completely comes under the policy of that particular school. But if any school is government, then it is not recommended to advertise or monetize your school website. But we talk about this particular example that we will discuss we were discussing. So in this particular example, you, let's assume you're the owner of this website and you want to monetize your website. So just to monetize your website, you are acting here as a publisher, means as owner will act as a publisher, owner of the website will act as a publisher. Now i want to I want to publish these type of websites on my website, so that any user, let's understand I am an user here, and if I will click on this advertisement here, right, click on this, I am redirected to the official website of Cyprus Indian Express and all that. Means this is something related to financial investment. So means any end users who is coming to this website, clicking on the advertisement and redirected to that official website of this link, like get most of the investment. So it means that I am acting as an end user, you are acting as a publisher. Now these are advertisers, these different companies, this investment companies, this uh, Taboola Feed Company. This is the importance of Bell Paper, Happiest Health, Dubai Apartments, Artificial Intelligence courses, truck driving jobs. So these are the advertisers, right? Now let's understand how to do that. As an owner of this website or any website, how to monetize your website. How to monetize, let's say. So Google AdSense. How to make money, how to money advertising, how to do monetization. Let's click on this Google AdSense. Sharing this link in the chat. Click on get started here. Okay, first of all, you need to mention the site name on which you want to do advertisement. So I want to monetize on social mobile skills.in. So here, if you don't have any site, then you could have blog, you could have any other CMS based blog, then you can add that, right? I'll opt no. Okay, then start using AdSense. Before that, you need to opt your billing country from where you'll enter your account details. These are the term and condition you need to go through. So I have opted India as a billing country, and then term and condition, we need to read all these term and conditions. So now we have read all this, and now opt I accept and click on start using AdSense. This is the dashboard you would come across. Now, what information they are required from your side? Let's jump into step by step. First of all, enter info about the payment. Let's enter the info about payment. We need to enter our address. So I'll enter Sirat Mohali, uh, A34, City Mohali, postal code, state. Phone number is optional. Click on submit. Right. So this is done. Next, you want to show how your ad looks like. Let's explore it. First of all, we have entered our details, and that details for billing details like our address. Now, what kind of ad you want to display on your portal or in your website? So and there are different kind of ad format you want to publish. Some of them are image based ad, some of them are text based ad. So what do you want to display? So I want to overlay format. I want to add in page format. So the just wait for a while. It's preparing a preview so that you can see how your ads look like. It will take a while. So how your ads look like. So this is the preview of your format. Sorry, this is your website preview, how your website looks like. So on the blank spaces, let's say this is a blank space, this is a blank space, there is a blank space. So your advertisement would be shown over there, right? Now, if you click on apply to site, then all the changes that you have done, ad setting has applied to your website. Now, uh, third step, and which is very important. First two steps are clear. You have entered your payment details, you have entered your ad setting, like what kind of ad you want to show. Block ads we have, image based ad, text based ad. Now, next is how Google AdSense or Google get to know that what would be the code of your website, and on your website how to show. There is a link, I would say in layman language, there is a link in which we need to connect our website, means let's understand Indian Express website in this case. We have to link that website to Google AdSense account, so that Google get to know that this website is ready for advertisement, and the owner of this website, which is known as publisher, are ready for other advertiser to advertise their product and services. So click on let's go here. So this is a piece of code. We need to link this piece of code to our official website. In this case, social mobile skills. So uh, this is a meta tag. You can copy it. To get your site ready to show ad, copy and paste this meta tag in the head section of on each page of your site. What does it mean on each page of your site? I'll just copy this code, open my social mobile skill, right? I'm using it as an end user, but in your case, you have to end as a developer mode. So just let's wait while it is being loading. Now, so now we need to paste this code in the head section. So this is the head section. Uh, Open it. This is the title, and then let's say this is head section, title, social mobile skill. Then there is a link of this image logo. Then there is again meta description. Then there is another image script tag is there. So this is the actual coding part. You would find it difficult to understand, but this is for those who are just a bit tech savvy, who belongs to computer science background. Then they can easily understand that we need to link that particular Google AdSense account to this particular website. So I'm going to paste it in the head section. Let's say this is the head section, so I need to paste it in any of the part from here. So I'll just drop it and paste it here, right? So head section is there. In this way you can explore it, or you can mail it to your developer as well, but you should have a basic understanding how to do this. So click on verify. Let's say you click on verify, so it will verify your site. So this step is very important, means you have to copy this and paste to exact header section on every page. So I am doing it on the as a end user, so which is not feasible and applicable right now, but you have to do it as a developer mode. So then your website is ready for the advertisement, but we can't do it because this is a government website, so we can't advertise it, right? So you have to click on verify, and after clicking on verify process, you have to request for review, and then Google will give a review at its site, and by that time your website is ready for the advertisement, right? So in this way your website is ready for the advertisement. So how to advertise your product and services on Google, which is clear. How to make your website available for monetization with the help of Google AdSense, this is also clear. So any questions then you may ask from this two topic. Okay, one question. I applied for approval, but it is rejected three times. Uh, if it is rejected for three times, then there would some issue in that. That's why Google is rejecting your website again and again. You should drop an email to Google side for the rejection reasons. And in my opinion, if there are lesser number of users on your website, that's why they are rejecting this issue. Because you should have a solid customer base or customer audience on your account, then your website is eligible for the uh, Google AdSense, then your website is eligible for the monetization. And also, there's a good SEO on your website. SEO plays also vital role, so it should be good. You should have a good part in SEO whenever you are applying for Google AdSense. SEO plays vital role. You should have huge customer users, user base audience. Then your website will be approved from the Google side. Otherwise, it will get rejected again and again. So you can ask, you can drop an email to Google as well for asking the reasons so that you can do area of improvement in that as well. So I hope I have answered your question. Okay, next, do we have any other from Google AdSense or Google Ads? Yeah, it's a break time, I guess. We are running out of time. Yeah, let's have a break for 15 minutes. And anyone have any doubt, then please collect your doubts and drop in the chat box. Meanwhile, after the break, I'll clear your doubts. Thank you. Welcome back. Let's resume our session. Okay, so there's a doubt. Shown payment, it's for per day 500 rupees. The ad will reach more than 500%. No, it's not like that. It's completely depend what analytics Google ad is suggesting you. Let's take an example again. Uh, yeah, we were here. So let's say if I'm opting the 503 daily average, and then monthly we need to pay 15,000. So the estimated click is in between 3,000 to 7,000. But this is as per our ad, the keyword that I have opted, the link, the images, the type of business or services I'm offering. Let's say I'm offering in soft skill training. Let's say you're offering in any other business in which there is a huge competition. Then there might be some changes in this estimated number of clicks each month. But in my case, in this example that we have taken to start a marketing campaign in Google for Google Ads, in which we are offering soft skills training for 2 months in summer. So in this scenario, there's a if there's a less competition, then number of clicks each month would increase automatically. Yeah. So that's all. Coming back here. Okay. I hope I have answered question. Okay. So there's no another question. So let's come back to our topic. We were covering Google AdSense and Google Ads. So we have done Google Ads and Google AdSense now. Next topic is LinkedIn marketing. So today we have decided to cover three topic at least. So Google Ad is done, Google AdSense is done, and now we are going to cover LinkedIn and LinkedIn marketing. So any doubt in these two topic, then you may ask. Otherwise, let's start with the LinkedIn. So here we go. LinkedIn marketing. Okay, so LinkedIn is a professional network where you can connect to nearby teachers, nearby students, nearby parents. You can create and build a connection, and lots of things can be done. So in this way, it is important Okay, so here, so I'm using LinkedIn account here, right? Now, if we talk about in this topic, LinkedIn, how LinkedIn can be helpful for educator, how it is helpful for teacher learner engagement. But we talk about LinkedIn as a professional network. You can grow your network. If you want to switch your career, then it is helpful to finding new jobs in your area, and mostly it is used by professionals. So in education, if we talk about, then you can create your school page on LinkedIn. You can create your school account on LinkedIn. You can keep posting your social media updates or your updates on LinkedIn. So in this way, LinkedIn can be helpful for you to update day-to-day post or weekly post or monthly post. You can update on LinkedIn. And not only this, but if there is any event which is going on in your school, you want to upload it on your social media channels, then LinkedIn could be an option for you. That so LinkedIn could be an option in doing that. So here we go. Okay, first of all, how to create a page. Click on business here. There are a lot of things you would come across. You can hire on LinkedIn, you can sell on LinkedIn, you can post a job for free, you can advertise on LinkedIn. But now I want to create a page on LinkedIn account, right? So click on my for business here. How to create account on LinkedIn? It's very easy. You have to go and sign up your account. So fill your details, Gmail ID, and enter your password, and then your account can be created on LinkedIn. And I'm also assuming that there is no need to explain how to create account on any social media channel, which is very basic. And I'm assuming most of you already have your account on the social media platform. Your personal account, it could be, or your school social media handles. So it could be anything, right? So how to create a page for LinkedIn for any school or for your personal business or any other services and business you're offering, or how to create a LinkedIn page in terms of marketing objective. So here we go. Click on create a company page. Now you need to opt the type of service. Let's say this is educational institute. Name your institute ABC. You should have a URL for that. So it is not working. Let's say I'll opt. Uh, your name should be unique so that whenever LinkedIn will provide you a URL, any URL that will be provided by the LinkedIn, it should be unique. So here we go. So next is, if you have any website, your school or business have any website, you can enter that, in which industry you belongs to. Let's say I'll say in education. How much is the organization size? It's from let's say 51 to 200 employee. You have to choose logo. Your logo should be JPG, JPEG, and PNG format images. Your pixels should be 300 to 300 pixel. You want to tagline. In the right panel, you can check this page as well in the preview section. So let's say you click on I verify and you click on create page. Your page will be created. Right? So I'm not going to create any page on this account, but in your case, once you start creating page, you have to click on create page, right? So in this way, you can create page on your LinkedIn profile. And how to create your profile on LinkedIn? It is very easy. So next, explore how to create marketing campaign for this. If you want to advertise on LinkedIn, how to run that ad. Let's say if there is an example of ad. Yeah, you can check it out in my feeds. This advertisement, futurends.usp, take the leaps towards success, and then this text, this image, and there's a CTA button, call to action. When I'll click on this apply now, I will be redirected to external website, and that particular website is the official website of this futurends.usp, right? So how do we get to know that this is promoted or not promoted ads? Promoted ad means advertise ad, means company of this futurends dot a USP is paying, or is paying amount to LinkedIn to advertise their ad on LinkedIn platform. So whenever you as an end user want to advertise your ad on LinkedIn, then you have to pay money to LinkedIn. And how to create that marketing campaign to run your ad on LinkedIn. Let's understand this. Click on advertise here. Let's check to another account. I'm using my another account for advertise section because there was some settings issue in my previous account. And that is for the security breach because we cannot create too much marketing campaign. This is also taking too long. Let's try another account. Okay, so this is the new account on for LinkedIn Mohali SP. If you create your account, just a new account, if it is, then there is a no option for advertisement. Let's say you're going to create your account today, right? And you want to advertise tomorrow, then it is not possible. Your account should be old, at least 2 to 3 months old. Then you can create a marketing campaign on LinkedIn, right? So for business, there are options here, right? So let's click on advertise on LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn advertisement page. Now create an ad. I'll click on create ad, means I'm going to create an ad that I want to run for my school on LinkedIn platform. So this is known as LinkedIn marketing campaign. Click on create ad. First of all, you need to verify your account name. Then you have to mention your company page, your school page, and this school page should be on LinkedIn, not any other link. Means first of all, you have to create your LinkedIn account. Then you have to create page, a LinkedIn page for school, and then in the third step, you have to link that page here, right? Scroll down. You can change this currency. Let's say from USA to you can change it IN. That's I have not done. So this is my campaign group has created. In the left panel, there are options for plan, advertise, test, analyze, recommendation, lots of options to explore. So click on your campaign. Let's say this is a new campaign I have created. Click on this campaign group. So this is also an error over there. So just because of security breach, again the same issue. Earlier we can try LinkedIn for demonstration purpose, but now LinkedIn has changed its policy. That's why they are upgrading too many security settings where two-step verification are there. We can try to do, but it's not that much easy. Okay, but I'm not pretty sure that which account phone number is associated with this account. That's also a problem. Okay, so let's try this once. If we could do that, setup and check your email. So enter this account, six-step code. So here is the code. Click on submit, SMS verification. Uh, this is the password, send code. It means that LinkedIn is asking too much information from your end for the verification steps, and this is verification is known as two-way step verification. And why this verification is important, because LinkedIn doesn't allow everyone to create marketing campaign and don't run that particular marketing campaign over there. So uh, now let's check your permitted services. These are the different advertising options where I want to advertise our product. I don't think so I'm able to access its marketing campaign. I'll give it a try. Verification is done, but it will take 24 hours now to activate. But it's not pretty sure that it will take only 24 hours or more than this. Let's check it out. There are no permitted services. And okay, let's give it a try another way. That's the last option. Click on advertise. I'll check it out the old campaign that is being run on this account. Let's say I want to edit this. Okay, we can use this one. So this is the account, but you can check it out. There are lots of new term and condition, and I have to go through everything. So let's say this is my ad account is the name. Here the company page, and then update account. So editing ad account, in order to achieve, you need to create an ad account in Campaign Manager. Earlier my account is not being active here, so this is the actually problem with this account. My account is on hold for the advertisement, so I cannot update it. So if I'll try with this account, which is not possible because this is the new ID. Your ID should be at least 3 to 4 months older, then you can create for this ID. Okay, so let's start campaign here. Now, I can explain you in theoretical part here. Just a moment. Let me open my slides. Over there, 3 to 4 steps are there. You can find that helpful for your future reference. So let me open that slide. That slide can be helpful for you. So this is LinkedIn marketing, and okay, first of all, you have to create your profile on LinkedIn. Then after creating your profile on LinkedIn, there are 5 to 7 steps you need to follow. You need to enter your country, province, district, your designation, and your recent company. Then click on continue. In this way, you can create your account. Now, here we go to create your marketing campaign. Click on this. Earlier it was work, but now it has changed to advertise. Click on advertise here. And after the advertisement, what you need to do? Just a moment. Let me scroll down because this is not of any use. So strictly going ahead with the this is the LinkedIn page that I have already explained how to create that. This length is too, yeah, here is the advertise. I'll share this presentation in the group as well so that you can find it useful. How to create your profile on LinkedIn, how to create a page on LinkedIn, and also how to create a marketing campaign to advertise on LinkedIn. Right? Click on advertise here, then click on create account. Right? Once you click on create account, enter your name, currency, and then click on save. That's what we were trying to do, but unable to do so. And then after that, click on campaign group here. Once you click on campaign group, it means that you are ready to create a campaign, marketing campaign. You're ready to create a marketing campaign here. So here is enter name for your campaign group name, then click save. Now you can view here the list of marketing campaign. Right now we have 2 marketing campaign which are active. In this way, you have to only enter your campaign group name, status is active, and schedule date means when do you want to run your marketing campaign, right? And now your 2 campaigns are running. You can also analyze your LinkedIn analytics by clicking on these terms. Like you can analyze campaign status, how many time has been spent, how much is the CPC cost per result, how much is impression, how much is the click, how much is the average click to through rates, bidding, average cost per month. So all this you can analyze through this channel. So this is how it's not Twitter, it should be LinkedIn. So there is some mistake here. It should be LinkedIn. All right. So this is how you can analyze this. So this is assignment for you all. Try to create your account on LinkedIn at least because marketing is very another step. Marketing can be helpful for you, but before that you have to create your account on LinkedIn. So marketing can be helpful, but for schools we don't even do marketing on LinkedIn. LinkedIn professionally we use it to hire. Let's say you want to hire new teacher, then LinkedIn can be helpful for you. How to do that? Let's say I'm on LinkedIn profile. Uh, click sorry, it's not profile. Click on homepage here, right? I want to run. I want to hire a new teacher in my school. How to achieve that goal in LinkedIn? Click on business, post a job for free, click here, enter your account name and password, means you're connected to LinkedIn. And also you can again check that there are a lot of security check on LinkedIn. Instead of that, I am already logged into my account. It's again asking for verification code. So you can post a job free. You have to add the job title, company, workplace, job location, full time, and you can write on. You can also use its AI enabled features, right? You can use this AI enabled features. Now you can check that if I am going to post an ad to hire a teacher on site in this location, then there are around 28,500 members with this title similar to teacher actively seeking jobs in New Delhi. Means you can find a perfect job role, perfect candidate for the job role that is opened, and that perfect candidate can be find out from these numbers who are actively seeking job options in Delhi. So in this way, LinkedIn can be helpful for any educators as well, right? So I hope it is clear. Okay, so any doubt? I'll share the PPT in the WhatsApp group for LinkedIn. Uh, okay, how to get all session videos link? All session videos link are available on socialmobile skills.in, but we'll share the link as well. Okay, so yeah, I have connected to my team. They will be sharing the link where all the session videos are available. And yeah, they are sharing attendance link as well. Do we need to upload all the assignment? No, it is not compulsory. It is not a compulsion actually. Uh, you have to attempt only quizzes to complete the course. In layman language, I would say just complete all the quizzes, your course will be completed. No need to go ahead with project work and no need to go ahead with the assignments. But still, you want to upload assignments, you want to attempt project work, then that would be of great use. You learn a lot of things, but you're looking out for the course completion only and you're taking too much knowledge from these additional VC sessions, then it would be okay if you attempt quizzes only. Okay, apart from this, do we have any question? Yeah, please share your question in the chat box. I'll ask my team to unmute your mic. सर माइक अनम्यूट करा दें सबके जितने भी participants. Okay, thank you. Okay, so uh, yeah, this is the link where you'll get all the sessions. How? Let's say. So this is the link, socialworkskills.in live CBSE video uh, 8th March session 19, 20, 21, 22. And this is the timing that we have taken session now. First, second, third, four sessions are available. So YouTube link are available where you can watch these sessions, right? Actually, what we have done, we have uploaded these sessions on YouTube first on our channel Digital HP Masses, and then we have provided that link here. So it's the same thing. You're watching those session over there or from here, both are same things, right? So you can follow this. For we will send you certificates once you complete the course automatically. Automatically, certificate will be sent to your registered email IDs. Yes, in 1.1 section there is no quiz. For the assessment link for Monday and Tuesday session, uh, For the quiz link, you can follow Future Skills Prime portal. So last day to attempt all the quizzes on Tuesday. Tuesday would be last day to attempt quizzes so that we can relieve your course completion letter in the first week of April. Okay, I think my team has unmuted your mic. You can use your mic as well. Yeah, we can understand it's so confusing that how to relate that where to attempt quizzes. So, layman language, I'll explain it again. The sessions that you are watching right now or you're attending right now, it's through online VC, through online Microsoft Team, right? And the quizzes where you have to attempt, this is Future Skills Prime portal. Basically, you have to land on a website, log into your account, and start your course and attempt all the quizzes over there. It's not like that on daily basis. I'm providing you session and giving you quiz link. Yeah, that is some sort of very easy process, but it's not the case in here. So whatever be the process, we need to follow that. Attempt your sessions, and for quiz, log into Future Skills Prime portal for that registered email ID and attempt your quiz over there. Attendance link has not shared. Let me ask what they are doing. हेलो यानिक जी वो शेयर कर दो अटेंडेंस लिंक. Actually, everyone is asking. Do it fast on the priority basis. You'll after attempting quizzes, you'll get course completion letter. To attempt certificate from NASCOM, you have to attempt NASCOM certification for that. Okay, attendance link shared in WhatsApp group. Yeah, that would be great. You can refer attendance link from there as well. Actually, I'm not in that group. Okay, so any question do we have apart from this? Actually, we have taken a session in the morning 11, so we have solved all the queries regarding enrollment and how to attempt quizzes. So we can do one thing, we can share the recording of that session in the group as well, right? So over there you'll find out your queries and that recording can be helpful for you so that you will not get confused. Yes, we will share that particular recording of the session in the morning in the group, WhatsApp group. Yeah, that would be of helpful for you to access the quizzes for that portal. Yeah, sure, I will share. Okay, apart from this, do we have any question? You'll have your session on Tuesday on Twitter and Facebook marketing. So that will be your very use to how to use Twitter and Facebook. So your last session will be on Twitter and Facebook marketing only.
Ma'am, now Saturday, Sunday, Monday, no session.
Yeah, there will be no session on Saturday,
Directly,
Sunday,
no
Monday.
session will be on Tuesday.
Sorry, your voice is not audible.
Directly, the session will be on Tuesday, no?
Yes, directly
Oh,
session will be on Tuesday.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So you're most welcome, sir. No, it doesn't affect your attendance if you have joined later on. Your attendance has marked automatically. You're welcome, ma'am. Okay, apart from this, do we have any queries?
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Yes, you're audible.
Ma'am, this is Subramani, Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have one doubt. We are completing this kind of, courses. Is it valid for government job, ma'am? Simply, I'm asking. Suppose if you attend any interview in like KV or some other government exam, they will valid, will give important certificate.
Yes, sir, of course, it will provide importance for that if you are attending any KB interview or any other government teaching exams interview. Because NASCOM is a certified brand, CDEC is also a certified brand. So, of course, it would be helpful. And also, you are updated up to the industry standards. So, that would be your very use for them. And you will be given preferences in that as well.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so apart from this, do we have any question? You can use your mic for that. So I hope that's all.
बेटा के पास भी 1.5 लाख हो गया।
Okay, so that's all, I guess. No doubts, no queries. So thank you so much all for sparing your valuable time for this training. I hope you find it most useful in your training sessions, in your day-to-day curriculum activities, and you learn a lot of things, right? Thank you so much. Have a good day, and see you
Thank
on
you, ma'am.
tomorrow with a new session on Facebook and Twitter marketing. Thank you so much. So I'm going to end up.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait.
ಏನೇನ ಕುಂತ ಕುಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ